Right, so one of the things that I want to share with you today is something that has given me many hours of fun as a child. Now, growing up in this day and age, not all children can have everything that they want, but every child can definitely have one of these. It's something that's given me a lot of enjoyment and play when I was a kid, and it's something that I wanted to share with you. So here goes. So the first thing that you do is you get a piece of paper, an A4 piece of paper, and you fold it from one corner completely over like this. Right. So there you go. So you've got one fold which comes over, and if it was going to be facing you, it would look like that, where basically you've got your paper open and you put one fold over from this top corner down to here. Okay. Now what you do is you take this part here, right, and you fold this over here like so. Okay, so just line up that corner here with that corner over there. Okay, and press it down on this side. So what did you do? Let's go over that. You took a piece of paper, you folded it once this way, and you folded it once this way. Right? Now what you're going to do is you're going to take this corner here and you're going to fold it back up like so. Right? Then what you do is this corner here, you fold it back into here. Okay, so this bit comes up from there and it falls over like this. Then what you do is you bring it back temporarily and you just hold it in place, and the top corner here folds over this line here. When it's folded over, it will line up with this line here. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold this over, right, and you've got this here. Okay, so you can see that, right? So then what you do is you take this piece here and you fold it. So I'll just show you that a bit closer. So what you do is you take this piece here and you fold it in to here, right? So you can see that. See how it is? Right. So I'm going to show you that again anyway, just to make sure. So I'm going to take that piece out from here. So let's do that quite close so you can see. So here you go. This piece folds here, goes over like that, and then you grab this piece from here, this flappy piece here, and you put it into this fold here. Okay, so I'm going to fold this over, and I'm going to put it into here. Okay, that's how it went in. See that? Then what you're going to do is you're going to take this and you're going to fold it in half, like so. Alright? Okay. So what have you got? You folded the piece of paper in half. Now what we're going to do is let's just say about 1.5 squares. You want to fold this side over. So let's go 1.5 squares. Let's fold this side over. And you fold this side over here. Boom. Look at that. There you go. The beginnings of a fighter jet plane. Okay, so you can see that, right? We've got something which looks like, or which resembles, or is supposed to resemble a plane, right? And what you now need to do is, can you see this part here? Yeah. So what you need to do is you need to rip this coming down here. So I'm going to rip this here, right, in a straight line. And what I'll do is I'll bring this over here. So once you've ripped it, you're going to bring this piece over from the bottom, and it's going to be like this. Okay. So once you've done that, you'll now have, or you should now have, a plane which looks something like this. And it's not finished yet. Still a bit more that we have to do. So what you now want to do is you want to fold over each wing by about 1 centimeter. Okay, so there you go. And I'm going to fold this one over again by another centimeter. Right. And here is the finished product. Look at that. Amazing, isn't it? Right. So obviously you've got your 2 wings, and this here, what this part here allows it to do, I'm going to explain to you now. So with this plane, what you can do is, if you push it down like that, let's say for example somebody was flying it and they pushed it down and it was flying down this way, what it does is it tends to come this way, go like that, turn around, and then go like that. Okay, if you were to push it not going downwards but in a straight line, the way that this plane is designed, is that paper plane is designed, is that it will go around in a circle, right, and it will go around, keep coming around, and it will come back to you. And it's just amazing. When we were kids, we used to make these in school, and we used to just play with them for hours and hours and hours on end. You won't believe it. So I think you should go and make one and go and give it a try. I'm sure you won't be disappointed. Okay everyone, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.